Hey guys, my name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and I want to talk to you today about this Sunny upright exercise bike. So I purchased this for my physical therapy clinic because I treat a lot of patients who have had a total knee replacement. And one of the things that I particularly like about this exercise bike relative to other comparable exercise bikes is after a total knee replacement, many of my patients find it easier to pedal the bike backward than they do forward when they're trying to gain range of motion. Now I've got another video that talks about why I believe it's easier to go backward, but what's great about this bike is there's an equivalent amount of resistance. It's a magnetic resistance going backward as there is going forward. On a lot of exercise bikes, you can apply resistance going forward, but as soon as you switch directions, the resistance goes away and it just free spins. But on this particular Sunny, it's just as smooth going backward. Now, as much as I like the bike has a lot of great features. The one thing I will say I'm not too crazy about, it does have a pretty hard seat. So if you're somebody who's sensitive, who doesn't like sitting on a hard surface, I would recommend if you purchase this, you also purchase an extra pad or cushion to make the seat a little softer. But something I do like about the seat is there's an adjustment back here that allows me to slide the seat forward or slide the seat back. And when you're attempting to increase range of motion through your knee after a total knee replacement, being able to position yourself either over the pedals a little more, behind the pedals a little more is really helpful. The other thing, if you guys can see it, I use these little wedges. These wedges are great for calf stretch. So they're actually from the automotive department. They're tire shocks. You put your toe at the top, your heel on the floor, you lean into it for a great calf stretch. I typically recommend my patients do 30 to 60 seconds on the left and then the same thing on the right. You can do this to improve terminal knee extension as much as stretching the calf and mobilizing the ankle. So all in all, I've been really happy with the device. We've had it in the clinic for just over a month now. We've had no problems with it. Everything's working the way we expect it to. I would make this a recommendation for anybody looking for a small, affordable, easy to use exercise bike that you're gonna use after a total knee replacement surgery. Thanks for watching.